to go on board. It'll be number 15, Bristol McBride. She'll start it on the pole. Second heat to the outside, Austin Bird. Crowder back to the inside. Sean Hyman there. You know who it is, the 5X back there. Gary Trent. We'll see what he can do and get it up there. First heat, Bird contracting, IMCA Sport Compacts. Wallstrom will lead him off. Bird to the outside. Wallstrom back, I took around a little bit by Bird. Oh! The 32 up there with Wallstrom out front. Here comes Bird in number 17 down the backstretch in the 3. Oh, 17 about takes it around. To go! Wallstrom getting past, but number 95, Rusteezy of Amber Bird. She slides top side of 2. They go 3 wide out of 2 down the back straightaway. 17 on the inside, making moves. Oh, and he's not going to take it around. You got to straighten it out, big boy. Wallstrom pulls it back up there at P2, 17 out front, Bird third. Bird down there on the inside. We are on board, ladies and gentlemen, with the 5'8", Sean Hine. You'll have Dylan Richards behind. He's trying to the outside. Terry Tritt in there. Oh, yeah. All righty. Slow and easy down the backstretch. The number 15. Out of Delphus. I wanted to say Delphus. Oh, she'll get a little jump. I don't think the gas man will let her go with that. We'll see. Will they give her the green? No, he will not give her the green. I knew she got an early jump and they wouldn't give her the green. Caution, caution, caution. We'll put it up there on the gas man. It's time by. Clean inside pass. Slides up. 3 wide out of 1. 4 wide out of 2. 3 wide down the backstretch. Here comes the 24. Making moves. Got the female, number 15. Bristol McBride. Out front. Terry Trent right behind her in the 5X. Dylan Richards to the top side. Here comes the 5H out of Nebraska, Sean Hine. We are on board with him tonight, ladies and gentlemen. 12. Not too good. She led the race first 2 or 3 laps. Not sure what happened to her, but she fell to the back of the pack. She'll finish last out of this one, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up to that 5X of Terry Tritt. Wallstrom will lead him off. He'll have Bird behind him. Sean Heim in a 5-8. Out of 4. It's game time. They stay green in the 1. Amber Bird pulls to the inside of Wallstrom as they exit into turn 2. Seen a little lightning splash over there. Here comes Sean Heim in the 5X with Terry Tritt back there. As well as the 17. In the 1. No caution. Come on now. Give him a caution. Give him a caution. And he'll have to get pushed middle side of 1 and 2 down there. The 5X of Terry Tritt. Bad luck for that young man tonight. He picked up the heat win earlier. Righty, ladies and gentlemen, after the caution, they'll go single file. Not sure why they ain't going Delaware double file restart, but it is a sport compact. They're not in the race here or transponders. Or they do have race receivers, but not transponders in here. Nathan Wallstrom into turn 3. He'll come out of 4. He'll look at the flag man up there. After the caution, he'll give him the green. It's back to game time. Wallstrom, Bird, 17, Sean Heim, Richards. Oh, and Bristol McBride back takes it over right there, top side of 2. That is a caution. Out of 4 after caution. Wallstrom will lead them off. Bird second, 17 third. Nathan Wallstrom up front. Here comes the 17 on the inside. Looking at him down there, he'll make the pass. Amber Bird to the inside of both of them. In the 1, out of 2. Get right door panels with Wallstrom. Holding on to it out front. He looks good. He's got a little bit of a distance on him. racer. Look at him looking on the inside out of 2. He's got an opportunity. He'll take him in a 3. Can he find him down there low? Out of 4. Picking up your heat feature win. Sean Oaks. Sean Hines second. Bird 4th and 5th. Wallstrom 6th. Richard 7th and Bird 8th and Bird 9th. Pulling down here in your O'Reilly Auto Parts, Victory Lane, Mr. Oaks, for his first visit ever here at Salina Speedway. Oh yeah. Good job, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Lincoln, Nebraska, congratulations, sir. So you came all the way down. Did you see it going out this way?
No, not really. I mean, I just wanted to kind of get a feel for the track, and man, you guys can prep a track, dude. I can tell you that.
Woo! Oh, that is a fact, folks. He even said all the way from Nebraska. This track has been slick tonight, man. It was moving pretty quick, though. Did you have any trouble in turn 4 over here?
Oh yeah, that was definitely the tricky corner over there. You couldn't figure out quite where to run it in at, you know, and I guess it paid off. I mean,
there you go. It paid off for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to thank anybody, my friend?
Yeah, I want to thank Adams Canine, Larry's Auto Recyclers, my dad, Josh Chillin, my grandma, my grandpa, my mom, my dad, just everybody.
Yeah, you can't forget mom and dad. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Stephen Oaks.
Woo!